Hello everyone, my name is Anastasia and today we will do with you some nice morning or any time in the day when you have 10 to 15 minutes practice to wake up our bodies. And yes, maybe the sound will be not perfect. This is my first YouTube video, so please give me some love. And yeah, let's then start arriving to our mat. For this practice we need only mat and ourselves. Even you see I'm wearing not a yogic clothes, but it's totally fine. So let us start. Let us start first slowly arriving to the mat. Bring your seat bones firmly on the mat. Here we can move the buttocks out a little bit so we feel our seat bones on the mat. With the next inhale, shoulders up and back. And now we're resting our hands on our knees or facing towards the sky. And we will take 3 deep breaths through our nose and exhale through our mouth. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Relax your face muscles, shoulders down. Feel how your hips becoming more heavy on the mat. One more inhale and exhale. And here we start bringing our hands up above our head. The long stretch, so we look towards our hands. And exhale, bring hands down. One more time. Inhale, hands up. Arch a little bit your back. Exhale, hands down. Try to synchronize with your breath. Inhale, up. And from now, we're bringing our right hand down to the side. And we twisting to the side, bringing our left hand above our head, our side bind. Here we can bring our elbow closer to our body, so we do it a little bit deeper. And we start breathing, so hand is reaching out 45 degrees to the side and activate through your fingertips and breathe. Try to keep your hand parallel to your head and breathe. With exhale, slowly round your back, bring your hand forward, and now coming back up. So we do another type of rotation here, just warming up our spine. So here our back of our rib cage is opening more, back, left side. One more time, exhale, we close, inhale, we open. Now with inhale, we're bringing our hands above our head. Gaze towards your hands, take a moment. And here we're bringing our left hand to the side and slowly binding to the left side. Look towards the sky or towards your palms. Feel how all your rib cage expanding, stretching. Use the floor as your support and push through the floor and breathe. One more deep breath. And now with exhale, we bringing another rotation, type of rotation here. Exhale, inhale, coming up. So right back side of our rib cage is opening. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale up, one more time. Exhale. Inhale up, one more deep breath here. Coming back to center, interlock your hands behind your back. Open your chest, look up. Here we're trying to reach with our hands up as much as we can, so we're opening our shoulders, shoulder blades together. And breathe. 2 more breaths. Exhale, come back here to center. bringing our left hand under our right leg here. So it's like a half of the crossed leg position. We're catching under our knee. We start warming up our hamstrings. So we're bringing our leg up, flexing. Feel the stretch. Down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Flexing the feet so you feel the work in your right hamstring. Down. One more inhale, and here we will stay for 3 deep breaths. Option 1, we stay here, maybe a little bend if it's too much pressure in your hamstring, or we bring our hands on our shin bone and breathe. Always keep your spine straight, your shoulders up and back, so we open our chest, look up. And option 3, you can bring your forehead to your leg. Exhale. Inhale, come back down. Now from here we're catching the outer side of our feet with our left leg. Here you will see on the side. And we're opening to the opposite side. So external twist and breathe. Feel of the work of your hamstring. I will turn to the side so it will be more visible here. One, two, breathe. Don't hold your breath. Come back to center. Slowly release your leg outside of the left feet here. So we are here coming half shoelace, loose shoelace. Again, before everything, we bring your shoulders up and back. Here, sit bones out. Here we bring our left hand on top of the right knee. And our hand up, down. We have this nice side. We look towards our right shoulder. Breathe. One more breath. Exhale, go back to center. Around your back. Inhale. Slowly changing our legs. Now we bring our right leg inside under our left shin bone and catching here under our knee, shoulders open, always shoulders up, opening, straight spine. And we start bringing our leg up, warming up our hamstring. Here, as much as we can, bring your thighs closer to your chest. From the next, we take the stillness, find this moment of stillness here. Option 1, we stay here, maybe we bend it a little bit if it's too much tension. Option 2, we bring our 2 hands a little bit above our ankle and we're trying to straighten our leg. Same time flexing our feet, activating our kneecap and all leg activated. Try to push it closer and bringing our shoulders back. Breathe. One more deep breath. And on the next breath, catching with our right hand outer of the left feet. So once we stabilized here, maybe we keep it bended. Choice is yours. Still working perfectly for your hamstrings. Be opening to the side. And we're breathing here, and slowly we can extend our legs so we feel more stretch, and we breathe. One of my favorite stretch for the hamstring. You breathe. 2 more deep breaths. 1 more deep breath. Try to breathe You can bend your elbow, bringing your leg closer to you. Go back to center. Here we can bring our forehead closer with the next exhale. Exhale, bring your leg down, outside of the right thigh. We are here ending up in our loose shoelace. Again, adjust your sit bones if needed. Shoulders up and back. Bring your right hand on top of your left knee. And bringing our left hand up. Inhale and exhale. So we're rotating our hand behind our back. Have this nice twist. Look towards the left shoulder. And breathe. One more breath. Exhale, come back to center. Round your back, little counter pose. Inhale, come back to center. And from here, we're slowly moving to our tabletop. Here we will do few movements. Make sure you open firmly all your palms on the mat. They are parallel to your shoulders, and we start pushing the mat away. And inhale, look up. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale, up and exhale, down. One more cycle. Exhale, down. A little bit forward, forming up our wrist and back. So kind of drawing the A in your own pace, whatever feels good here. So maybe some side you need to stay a little longer. You feel some tension, do this. But very gentle. If you feel any tension, you can stay in classical tabletop. Just explore. Yoga is about exploring our body, exploring our mind, and to see how we feel. We can add some rounding, arching. And this is your cat cow, your tabletop, whatever feels good. One more breath. Now we come a little bit back. Here we try to keep 90 degrees with our hips. We slowly start to walk our hands forward, but we keep our hips 90 degrees. We go into our puppy, open and soft. Option 1, we stay here. Forehead on the mat. Try not to make any sharp moves. And option 2, we're bringing our chest into the mat. And we look forward. Our puppy pose, and we breathe here. Now we inhale very slowly. We start moving our hands back. A bit closer, 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 closer. So now we open our shoulders. And now we're coming back to our kneeling position, and we will open our chest a little bit more. I recommend this exercise to do it as well every day, inspired by Tibetan rings. Here you can bring something under your knees if you feel little pressure. And here there are two choices. You can keep your feet pointed, or you can bring them so you have a little bit more support and more stability. You tuck your toes. And from here, the most important, we need to keep our spine supported. We're bringing our two hands towards our spine, fingertips back, and and we're activating our pelvic in. Second our pelvic in, shoulders up and back. Now with inhale, we slowly, slowly rounding our back. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your chin to the chest. Inhale. Exhale, chin to the chest. 3 more movements. Just explore. Maybe you just here. You go a little bit deeper. Exhale, come back. Maybe you want to turn your hands other side. 2 more. And the last time we will stay there for 2 breaths. Our quads activated, glutes activated. Here we come back, bringing our toes together and moving to our child pose. And relax there for 5 deep breaths. Our knees to the side, and the more we open them, the more space we get. Breathe. With each exhale, you can feel how your hips sinking more down, becoming more heavy. Just let the gravity work here. Last deep breath. Slowly coming up, bringing back to our tabletop, touching our toes, legs a little bit closer so they're like 1 foot apart, and a little bit walk forward. And from here, our first downward facing dog. So we're bringing our hips up and back to the bended knees, pushing the mat away. And we start slowly pedaling our feet in our first downward facing dog. Navel in, coming closer to our spine. Our all fingers widely open, pushing the mat away. Our neck relaxed down, shoulders far from our ears, shoulder blades separate. And we keep pushing our hips back. We're pushing and walking our toes. We'll do a few more dynamic movements to wake up our body. From here we slowly, with the rounding our back, slowly this nice movement, we slowly coming down to our first upward facing dog. And we're pushing them out away, coming back to downward facing dog. One breath here, again bringing ourselves and our toes, coming back to upward facing dog. Try to push your body away so you're not bringing our knees, our hips on the mat, so it's everything hanging from our head. Look forward. Exhale, come back. Again, inhale. Back. Exhale, downward facing dog. 2 more movements. Exhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. The last exhale. And inhale. Drop your knees and drop your fingers. And we slowly coming down on our belly. And we rest here. One breath. Before we return to the opposite side. supine twist. So we catch first our knees, move a little bit, start moving. Gentle massage for your back, the closer your knees to your chest, the more stretch you have. Now with the next exhale, slowly bending our two legs on top of the right hands to the right side. Try to keep them 90 degrees, the two shoulders on the mat. Here we can use something to support under our legs. And gazing to the opposite side, so here to the left side. Enjoy the supine twist. 5 deep breaths. Last breath. Inhale. First turn your head, then slowly bring your legs to the center. You can again hug them. Take a moment. Your breath stable. And with exhale, move to the opposite side. So again, with the support if you need. 90 degrees to the left side and your gaze to the right. Enjoy the supine twist. Deep breath. Just turn your head and then followed by your legs down. Your legs to the mat. And slowly bringing ourselves up to our sitting position. Here we can take a normal cross leg. Maybe if you can take a Padmasana, lotus pose. Whatever feels good at the moment, maybe half lotus. And we will do some pranayama to finalize our practice, followed by some meditation. And here I will let you stay as much as you need after your meditation. So I will give you all the guidance now for the pranayama. We will do now our Kapalabhati pranayama. Here we will use only power of our breath, so we will not use our hands. We can let them rest on our knees. We can open, or you can place your right hand on your belly so you can feel how your belly moving. Just for you, if it's your first time doing this pranayama, you will feel the movement. This pranayama, if you have any blood pressure, or if you have any problem with abdominal muscles, or you have your period, you need to be very careful, especially if you're pregnant as well. But otherwise, this pranayama is very nice. It's helps you to bring clarity. It's clearing your frontal brain. It's energizes you. It warms up you. And yeah, with this pranayama, we will do forceful exhalations through our nose. So here we will just exhale. Inhale will come naturally. And we will do first 20 times in slow pace. Inhale. Moment, Bring your another hand to the knees. You can bring your two fingers together in Jnana Mudra. And just enjoy the benefits of this pranayama. How your breath stabilizing, slowing down. And we will do one more round. Release your face muscles while exhaling. Imagine that something in your nose and you just want to remove it with your forceful exhalation. Inhale will happen naturally. And it's okay if it's for the first time. Maybe it feels strange. It's totally fine. Wherever we do first time, it feels different. But once we get used to it, inhale 20 more times, maybe a little bit faster. See how it feels. Now it's time slowly coming to your meditation. This pranayama make you in half meditative state. Just stay there. Bring your awareness towards your breath. Feel how the air coming through your nose, down through your throat, into your lung. Feel the expansion of your rib cage, of your belly, how it's rising and falling. Keep observing your breathing. Any moment when your mind starts wandering, try not to fight it, not to let go of your thoughts, because they are always there. Just observe. And when you notice that you got distracted, gently come back to your breathing. Enjoy this meditation. I will leave you for now, as much, as long as you need. Namaste.